Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Thursday, October 22nd. It's 8:36 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. Looking at Coin 360. Rock in. Green day in the market. Bitcoin is pumping along with alts. Bitcoin's kind of taking a bit of a top now. We've hit a bit of a plateau, and that's fine. Now everyone's wondering, are we going to retrace or keep going or stay sideways? There's no top and there's no bottom, and sideways is possible. So let's see. XRP up 1 cent since this pump started happening. It was on at 25, now I think it's 26, up 3.5%. Ethereum up 6% last 24 hours. Litecoin up 5% last 24 hours. Link up 9%. That little pumper's catching up. All right, so Bitcoin up almost 2% last 24 hours, coming in at 12,892. It has broken that beautiful 13K barrier a few times recently, and that's pretty rocking. So, volume, this is craziness. 2.5 billion, or technically 2.6 billion. That's amazing. Most of that's on Binance. Coinbase is rocking. Bitstamp has overtaken Kraken. So, Binance 1.2 billion, Coinbase 444 million. Bitstamp 229 million, Kraken 220 million, rockin'. Where most of that volume is on Binance, longs versus short sentiment, 51% longs, 48% shorts. So sentiment is long. Looking at the traditional markets, the S&P 500 here on the top, opening today with a red candle. Russell 2000 index opening today with a green candle. Neither is really pumping in either direction. Kind of a sideways start to the day. Dollar strength index, a green candle today. So that's good. The KRE for U.S. bank strength, a green candle today. It is pumping. It has crossed the 200 moving average on the daily. Interesting. All right. We just watch those and, do with that what you will. Looking at the daily chart, beautiful uptrend, beautiful upwards channel. We closed yesterday on a pretty rocking green candle. We have opened today on a green candle. We continue to move up. The MACD is ever widening in the proper direction. You can see these previous pumps we had, and you know what happened then. We had nice, beautiful uptrends. So if you look at the MACD, just look at the chart in the MACD. Look at the chart in the MACD. Look at the chart in the MACD. I really think we're definitely headed for at least a challenge at the top of this channel at 13,800 or so before we turn around. It would not surprise me if we do actually go well into the 13Ks before we actually begin a retrace. That's just my opinion. All right, looking at the 4-hour chart. Well, we have broken through previous support and resistance in the chart, and now we are just cranking. We are way out of it. We've broken above an upwards channel that we were in. We've broken above, like I say, previous support and resistance. The ADX and directional index look beautiful. The stochastic RSI definitely coming down a little bit. But honestly, like looking at this daily chart, you zoom out, I think we're in no man's land. There is no bottom and there is no top. Who knows? Everyone just see what happens, Looking at a fib retracement here on the 45-minute chart, you can see this beautiful upwards channel we've been in, Of course, we've broken above that. If I do a fib retracement starting at the 200 moving average cross, and I follow this up, if we go down to a .236 from our previous high, that's 12,787. If we go down to the 382, that's 12,520. If we go down to the 05, that's 12,304. So I do know plenty of people who have retracement buys along all these, even down to the 618, which is 12,089. So just something to think about. If one does want to catch a swing here, if somebody does want to catch the retrace, well, for one thing, I would say you don't know when that retrace is really going to start, and you don't know how far it's going to go. If it does, it could be $1,000. But anyway, if one is thinking about retrace buys, not financial advice, of course, 12,787, 12,520, 12,304, and 12,089 are, at least given what we know right now, shooting a fib, I think, possibilities. Directional index is still green, ADX is going low, and of course the stochastic RSI is, well, actually it's starting to trend back up on this short time frame. So what is going to happen? Let's, for fun, throw out a 2 hour right here. How's that look? Looking at the 2 hour, yeah, it looks a little bit more clear. Directional index is still strong, ADX is still high, and look at that, your RSI, stochastic and RSI are going up. Also, they're beginning to turn around from the bottom. So we may have a lot more pump left in this run. Let's look real quick. This is the daily chart. Since I have the MACD up here, let's look at the 2 hour. The 2 hours oftentimes, the 2 hour MACD is oftentimes a great indicator, I think, of immediate price action for Bitcoin. And as you can see, we're just crossing negative on the 2 hour. Everybody, you know, this is an interesting time. I gotta tell you, I don't care when it starts to retrace or how much further it pumps. It's great right now. This is a wonderful thing. Thank you, PayPal. But I think this pump is about a lot more than just PayPal. It was time for it to happen. If you have questions on the indicators and such in the video, go to whatisanoperator.com, click on Bitcoin Daily View. Got a few things here that are interesting. Join this YouTube channel. Click that bell, share it and all. Comment. Telegram channel for this channel, Bitcoin Daily View. Hop in there. I post charts throughout the day when I'm working on stuff, and we chatter in there, getting some members. Also, the Telegram group that does this Telegram channel. It's automated, and you can see what it looks like right there. It's always kicking out charts whenever you see a 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily 200 moving average cross for USDT and BTC pairs on Binance. Also, everybody, breathe. Check out Wim Hof's new book. It's on Audible or paper. I just got into this. It's friggin' amazing. Also, Mega Trading Wisdom. Thank you, Garbage Truck. No Nonsense Forex, also known as VP, has a new book out. The whole damn thing is about the psychology of trading. So breathe. It will help your psychology and your body. And check out his book. Also, we interviewed him not too long ago. I put a link to it there. I'm going to have him on again next week, which will be awesome. I think the garbage truck is actually, I think somebody put cinder blocks in the damn dumpster. Anyway, everybody, you take care. This is a glorious day. I would just suggest to people, not financial advice, and I know this is unsolicited advice, but basically, look, stop worrying about when it hits the top or when it's going to retrace, and just bask in the glory of life and this beautiful, beautiful pump that Bitcoin is having. Bitcoin will take care of itself, and we'll all make money. I hope you're making money. Take care.